Komongaro, I want to thank you for gathering here as we celebrate and pay tribute to the Katonga heroes, to the Katonga heroes, abaroni bafe, abarona urutoro rw'Katonga okurabanga turine mirembe kati so mubakubira ko mungaro. The battle of Katonga was not an easy battle. There are some people who thought that it was like playing cards. Anya Karabia. But the battle of Katonga needed sacrifice, it needed resilience, but the most important, it needed God. So we should thank God for that. The battle of Katonga was like the one of Moses when he was liberating the Israelites. Some people said, no. So I was thanking you for gathering here as we pay tribute and celebrate the Katonga heroes. So you can clap for that. You know, governing Uganda is like driving a truck on a bad road, because every time you must be everywhere. That's why my people but no, our government Museveni ngowa. I still have vision. That's why he calls me baby face. That is Rita K. My son is Kainerugaba. But there are some people who have read a Kabat Rekachagurani. Listen to those people. As I conclude, I want to thank my Muzukuru. Hadija, come here. Where's Hadija? Now, my Muzukuru, I thank you for mobilizing my Muzukuru. Hadija's got vision. That's why those who are asking me now, show us some of your successors. She's one of my successors. I want to wish you well and thank you very much.